What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. I know I've been gone again for another 2 weeks, but I've been working on my brand Temple, trying to get that ready and have that ready to launch in November. Also, I've been playing a whole bunch of New World. If you know what New World is, an MMORPG for the PC. That's like one of my favorite gaming genres. So I've been playing that, no lifing. So I had let me take a step back. Let me get these videos out the way because I gotta bless my subscribers. I can't do y'all like that. I can't do y'all dirty. So I'm giving y'all a new one. I know I did this one before, but I felt like I need to do it again. Reason being, I went back and watched an old video of the Human made t-shirt size, and I just didn't like how it turned out. I didn't like the way I shot it. I didn't like any of it. I didn't like the way it looked. I didn't like the audio. And I had like one of my subscribers actually in the comment section give me some advice on what I can do to make my videos better. And I had commented back to him, let him know bro, I was thinking about the same exact thing. I got something to help increase the production of my videos now. So let me redo this video, give y'all something cleaner and simple to look at and listen to. So I'm redoing the Human made sizing, comparing all three, 2XL, XL to large. And I just wanna make this a little bit more digestible and more entertaining to watch. So we're gonna get right into the video. So with that being said, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're new, hit the subscribe button if you like my content. Also follow me on Instagram. Link will be down below to my Instagram page. Feel free to follow me because I have a lot of y'all hitting me up. If y'all have any questions, hit me up. I'll try my best to answer them. Or y'all just want to talk, just hit me up regardless. But anyway, let's get into it. All right, so for the 2XL, we're gonna go with this tee right here. This is gonna be our 2XL tee, as you all can see right here, front and back. And for our XL tee will be this tee right here. This is gonna be our XL. For the large tee, we're gonna have this tee. So I'm gonna put all three of these tees on and show y'all the difference, let y'all know how I feel on my body. Before I get into putting these on and breaking it down, let me tell you this. I'm 6'3", I'm about 175, 180 pounds, and I'm a slim guy. So again, listen to what I'm saying. My body type is different than yours. So you don't have to make the best decision going forward from picking up a Human made. Should I size up? Should I just go ahead and go to the normal size I normally go with? But I'm gonna explain it as I go. Again, my body type is different than you all. So if you're short and stocky, you may wanna go with 2XL even though you're short and stocky because the large may fit very tight on you. So again, make the best decision possible. I can't make the decision for you. I don't know your body. I don't know you. I haven't seen you all. So I'm just giving you all I'm just leading you to the water and I'm just letting y'all do the rest and figure it out what y'all should pick up for Human made, what sizes and tees. But that's enough said, let's get into it. All right, so stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna have a side-by-side comparison of all three sizes so you can have a better look and understanding on how these t-shirts fit. So just stay tuned to the end, all right? Yeah. All right, so right now we got on a 2XL tee and I'm gonna break it down, let you all know how it fit, how it feels on my body. All right, so again, me being 6'3", probably 175, 180 in weight. So I normally I always go with 2XLs, reason being they fit me like a glove. They fit perfectly on my chest, my shoulders, and my back. Because if I wear anything smaller, it's gonna feel a little bit tight on my chest, shoulder, and back. So the 2XLs will be perfect for my body. Because again, I'm slim, I'm a slimmer guy. So the way this fits on me is very loose, relaxed fitting. There's a lot of room up under the armpits on both sides and it's very breathable. It's not very constricting on my back. Hopefully you can hear me with my back turn. So it just fits perfectly and the way it drops, I like the length of this tee is just perfect. It's a perfect length. It's not too long, it's not too short. So if I can raise my hands, you can't see my boxers or my boxer band or my stomach or anything like that. So that's the reason why I like the 2XLs over the XL and the large. So this just fits perfect like a glove. And also on the sleeves, it's probably about 1.5 inches from the elbow. Also, it flows perfectly on the biceps. I guess it's the biceps, I'm terrible with muscles. But again, if you wanna go with 2XL, just go off your body type, your height, and your weight, and make the best decision like that. Also, they do have the measurements on the Human made website, so y'all can go on there and make the best decision as possible, which will be the best size that fits you. And also, with that being said, before I go to the next tee, you gotta remember, Human made is a Japanese brand. So Japanese people, well, Asian people are just smaller than most people in general. I guess you could say us Americans. Us Americans are pretty big and broad. Like me, I have broad shoulders, wide back, and a chest. So their clothes gonna fit a little bit different than what you would normally buy. So I had to go with 2XLs instead of a large, because a large fit like a small to me. You'll see why later. And yeah, I just highly suggest you all, you have to size up in the tees, but the outerwear, I feel like the outerwear is more true to size than the tees are. So with that being said, I love the fit of this. Again, it's not constricting on my body, it's not too tight, it's just loose on my body, relaxed fit. So if y'all wanna go 2XL, go with 2XL, just go off the best judgment that you can. With that being said, let's get into the XL. So now we have on the XLT, and I can already sort of feel a difference between the XL and the 2XL. It's a little bit tighter up on the neck area, it's a little bit tighter on the chest and shoulder. So for me, I can go with the XL, but I wouldn't prefer to go with the XL. Reason being, if I wash it and it shrink by just some weird reason, then I'd be screwed. I would tee and it'd shrink up on me and it'd be a little bit tighter fitting. But the XL, it's okay, but it's a little bit tight, like up on the chest area and the back. But normally, like the sleeves feel down there the same as the 2XL, like with the length. But I would say I can see somewhat of a difference already, like with the drop of the tee, like how far it go down with the length. So if I lift my hands up, let's try this. You can see my waistband on my boxers, maybe a little bit of my stomach, maybe, I don't know. So as you can see, it's a little bit shorter than a 2XL. I can work with an XL, but I prefer the 2XL. It's nice and relaxed up under the armpits, not too tight. It still got it flows, not constricting on the body. So the XL, you can dibble and dabble between the XL, the 2XL, depending on your body type. It just depends on how you wash your shit, just in case if it doesn't shrink, just get whatever size you feel that will fit. You could go with the XL or 2XL depending on the way you like your fit. You may want to go with the XL. You may want like a fitted, like more of a fitted fit. If you like more of a looser fit, I suggest go with like the 2XL. So yeah, if you want more of a fitted, go with the XL depending on your body type. So this is what the XL looks like on my body. Boom, boom. So this is the XL. We're gonna get right into the large. So let's throw this large t-shirt on and I can show y'all the difference from there. So right now I am wearing the large and I can already feel the difference, especially up here in the chest and shoulder area. It's a little bit tighter up here. Like I can feel it pulling on the back a little bit, as you can see. Again, I got a wide back and I can just feel like the tightness is like more of a fitted. It had like more of a fitted feel to it, which is something I don't like. I like my clothes to fit a little bit loose on me. It's kind of tight up on the neck. I can feel like drawing up a little bit up under the armpits, just a little bit. But it's still breathable. Let's see, the sleeves, it's a little bit higher. So it's like 2 inches from the elbow and it's a little bit shorter than the 2XLs and the XL. I can feel already. And like when I go like this, I can already feel it like, you know, have like more of a fitted feel to it. Reach up like this, you can see a little bit of my stomach and the waistband. As you can see how this fits on me, again, 6'3". So this would not be a size that I would get. Some people like their clothes to fit a little bit small and snug. So you may like that. You may like the size large over the XLs and 2XLs. Just go off of what you want to go off of. And yeah, because I can't answer that question for you. I can just lead you to the water. It's up to you to do the rest. I hope this was a little bit better than the previous video that I showed you all. So like this is my highest viewed video, but the quality is just meh. But I guess people still like it because of the views and the comments I'm getting up on it and the questions I'm getting. But I just wanted to give y'all a better quality version of that. So, but thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate if y'all can do that. Link down below to my Instagram page if you want to follow me on Instagram. So, the next video, I'm going to compare human made tees to like American brand tees. So y'all can see the difference on the fit of the two, because you will see the difference. But with that being said, Casual Mac, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.